How can you solve addition word problems and complete the addition sentence?
Hi there! You know, they're using these buckets to bring food to the animals in the zoo. What a good idea! It looks like some of the animals have been fed, and the others are still waiting. I wonder how many buckets of food it takes to feed all the animals. Click on a bucket and we'll learn more about this problem. Let's start to count these. 1, 2. Oh, there are 2 empty buckets. And now, let's count these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many buckets are there all together? I think we have a problem to solve. Let's find out more about solving word problems.
Five inchworms are on a leaf. One more inchworm crawls onto the leaf. How many inchworms are on the leaf now? Think about what you know. You know that 5 inchworms are on a leaf. Click to count the inchworms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 inchworms on the leaf. You also know that another inchworm crawls onto the leaf. Click to count the inchworm. 1. One inchworm joins the other inchworms on the leaf. So you know this is an addition problem. You can use the plus symbol to show addition. 5 plus 1. To find the answer, count forward from 5. There are 5 inchworms on a leaf, and one more makes 6. There are 6 inchworms in all. You can use the is equal to symbol to show that 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now the addition sentence is complete. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. You can check your answer by counting all the inchworms. There are 4 orange blocks and 6 blue blocks. How many blocks are there in all? Let's make an addition sentence. First, select the number of orange blocks. That's right. There are 4 orange blocks. Now select the number of blue blocks. That's right. There are 6 blue blocks. So how many blocks are there in all? Great job! There are 10 blocks in all. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10.